Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Cryptocurrency Pro Chart. How's everybody doing? Hope you guys doing pretty good. Right now, we're looking at Bitcoin. For my last video last week, Bitcoin in reality should be at 76,000 to 74,000. So 76,000 and 74,000 will be the green line and the lows here. To today. We're on a 4-hour chart, and you can see with Bitcoin, it came all the way down from 106. It came all the way down, and we're sitting at $84,000, $84,500. We're sitting for Bitcoin, and a lot of people know the reason why Bitcoin's dropping like that. It's MicroStrategy, with his company and his investment with Bitcoin. His stocks is dropping like you wouldn't believe. So now he has to sell off Bitcoin holdings that he has. Let's go look at MicroStrategy at his stock. You can see at one point his stock grew all the way up to $543. $443. MicroStrategy's stock, and it peaked out right in November 2024, right before the Orange Man became president. It was right at the election. It peaked out all the way down. It consolidated. It came back down from this high, roughly. Came back down 57%. 57% it dropped right in February 2025. And you can see it was finding supporters, holding support. And then at the 50 SMA, it found support and took off again. But it could never recover back to all-time highs back here, $500. And then right around in October, it just starts selling off. People start dumping. Nobody believed MicroStrategy was a good stock at all. So the investors are dumping right now. And right now, from $500, it's at 170. And he has like over 600 Bitcoins or something like that. So from his all-time highs to now, he lost almost 70% of the value on the stock market here, this stock. And then you can see this is where Bitcoin came from, all-time highs at 126. 126. Let's go from this red line all the way down. Bitcoin lost only 35%. So when MicroStrategy, when he gets out the cryptocurrency and releases all the coins that he's holding in Bitcoin, we're going to find a true bottom for Bitcoin. And right now, the true bottom is not $84,000 at all. As long as it's holding, it's not for $84,000. And you can see Bitcoin right now, it made a low of $80,546. So it might have found support here, but let's go back and see where the support line. It's back over here. Is fine. So here's true support right here. So let's put a line down there. Find this true support line for Bitcoin. Say that wick right there. And this support will be April of 2025 of this year. So this is true support where right here where it took off, it bounced, and it took off. It went from the races. So this is true support here at 78,357. That's true support there. True support. Oh, it's not even, yeah. That's true support. And where is this low coming from? So you couldn't hold it. So let's try and find support at this level here. So I don't think it's going to hold true support for Bitcoin. We're looking at this line right down here, $78,167. That's your true support. So it's you can see it's basically a bearish flag here. This 50 right here, this blue line up here, it's my 50 SMA. So anytime any stocks get below this 50 SMA, it's bearish. It has to get above here to be bullish. And I posted on TradingView right here yesterday. I posted on TradingView. Let's go look at it. Here's my post. Right here, my post of Bitcoin. And basically, I'm talking about how Bitcoin climbed up to 126. We talked about MicroStrategy right over here in this article that I posted. And I'm still sticking with my initial support levels and resistance here. So on this post here, you can see I got 89,000, 83,000, 76,000, 58,000 will be a full cycle correction. That's what I had posted on TradingView. You guys ain't follow me on TradingView. It's a link in the description. That's free. Come over there and follow me. Give me a thumbs up. Support what I do on TradingView. So 86,000, and you can see we already broke right here. We already broke that 86,000. We already broke that level. So 86, that's roughly right below that wick. Let's say right here, body. So right there, that's 84,000 where I posted was supposed to be support. It found support, couldn't hold support. Now it's resistance. Now it's resistance. So we got a weak support here. 78,000 will be true support. A stronger support is at 76,000. 76,000. You can see the RSI. We are below this golden line. This golden line is 50 mark. Anytime the stock market or cryptocurrency gets below this line here, we're bearish. And we see we've been bearish for a long time here on this chart. Ever since it crossed this. So right at this day here, I know the chart's kind of funky. I'm moving around here. So right at this day here, October, let's hear this point here, October 29, 2025, you can see where the RSI came down below the 50 marks, indicating bearish, and it closed below the 200 SMA. Bitcoin will not get bullish until it reclaims on the 4-hour or daily to 200 here. Doesn't reclaim the 200, it's going to be bearish. So right now, indicators are indicating all bearish. We have a bullish crossover from the MACD, but that could switch over really quickly back to bearish. So we do have a bullish crossover, but switch over to bearish any moment. On this 4-hour chart here I'm looking at, a lot of red candles consolidating. It needs to get above this blue line. This is a resistance line right now, this blue line. This one's a monthly resistance I have here. It has to get above that for a turnaround of going bullish. But right now you can see where Bitcoin is battling this blue line on the 4-hour chart. Let's switch to the daily. I have long-term outlook. On the daily, you see nothing but red candles. And you see this blue line is still below that blue line. So on the daily, what we want to see what this candle did. It closed above this monthly trend line. Right now it's below it. It has 4 hours and 48 minutes left before this candle closes. We want to see it close it above it to get a little retracement back up. But we got a long ways to hit the 200 SMA. So from the 200 SMA, what did it drop? Right now, Bitcoin, 24%. 24% Bitcoin lost. Just below this 200 SMA, 24%. I mean, like I said, folks, cryptocurrency can turn around and come back up 24% in one day. You'd be amazed.